Namaste. This is the class of Human Anatomy and Physiology 1. We are studying Unit 1, Cellular Level of Organization. So we have seen or completed the different parts of the cell, and today we will do the mitochondria. A mitochondria is a membrane, bean-shaped organelles that is the energy transfer of the cell. It is also called as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria consist of an outer lipid bilayer membrane as well as additional inner lipid bilayer membrane. The inner membrane is highly folded into windy structure with a great deal of surface area called cristia. It is along with this inner membrane that is series of protein, enzyme and other molecules perform the biological reaction of cellular respiration. These reactions convert energy storage in nutrient molecules such as glucose into the adenosine triphosphate ATP, which provides enable cell energy to the cell. Cell use ATP constantly, and so the mitochondria are constantly work. So it is also called as powerhouse of the cell. As we all know, the main function of the mitochondria is to provide the energy, or we can say the glucose, for the cell to function, as each and everything needs some power. So that power to the cell is given by the mitochondria. It is bean-shaped organelles and it is also known as energy transformer. Oxygen molecules are required during cellular respiration, which is why you must constantly breathe in. So for cellular respiration we need what? Oxygen. So that was why we are breathing, we are covering our oxygen need. One of the organ system in the body that use huge amount of ATP in the molecular system, because ATP is required to sustain muscle contraction. As a result, muscle cells are packed full of mitochondria. So muscle cell have maximum mitochondria because for the contraction we need so much of energy. For that, to complete that huge amount of energy, the muscle cells contain large amount of mitochondria. Nerve cells also need large quantity of the ATP to run the sodium potassium pump. Therefore, an individual neurons which will be loaded with over 1,000 mitochondria. On the other hand, a bone cell which is not nearly as metabolically active might have a couple of hundreds of mitochondria. So the number of mitochondria is depend upon the cell function. For example, nerve cell also need large amount of ATP. So the nerve cell have large amount of mitochondria, but the bone cells are not metabolically active. They do not need so much of energy, so they have a couple or hundreds of mitochondria to complete its need. Next, the mitochondria are energy conversion factories of the cell. So you can see here the diagram, the A diagram. The A diagram is the mitochondria is composed of two separate bilipid layer membrane. You can see the two separate lipid membrane, crisp and intermembrane space. Okay. Next, along with the inner membrane, it also has an inner membrane and various molecules that work together to produce ATP. The cell major energy currency. And second, you can see a micrography of mitochondria. This is the micrograph of mitochondria, you can easily see. So here we have completed this topic. Hope you will like the video. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you.